Have you ever wondered if your morning meditation is just as valid as a scientific experiment? Can a microscope and a mantra unravel the universe's mysteries? Welcome to our exploration of the amazing connection between spirituality and science. Today, we'll talk about how these two different approaches can help us understand life and the universe better. Get ready. It's going to be an exciting journey. For a long time, many scientists have dismissed spirituality as superstition. They say spiritual beliefs don't have solid proof. On the other hand, people who believe in spirituality argue that science ignores the deep experiences of the human mind and soul. So, how can we bring these two views together? Think about trying to explain quantum physics to someone who believes in chakras. It's like teaching a cat to play fetch. It's confusing and doesn't work easily. But the truth is that both science and spirituality try to answer big questions about life. Science focuses on how things happen by studying and experimenting, while spirituality focuses on why, through self-reflection and personal experience. Can we find a way to connect these two approaches? Let's look at some ideas that show how spirituality and science are connected. Quantum physics, for example, tells us that at the smallest level, everything is made of energy. This idea matches what many spiritual traditions have said for a long time. Scientists have discovered something fascinating called wave-particle duality. This means that tiny particles, such as the particles that make up everything around us, can act like waves or particles, depending on how they are observed. For example, light can behave like a wave when it propagates, and like a particle when it collides with something directly. The amazing thing is that these particles exist in multiple states at the same time until someone observes them. Once observed, they choose a state. Imagine you have a coin spinning in the air. When it spins, it is not heads or tails. It could potentially be both at the same time because you haven't seen the outcome yet. Once you hold the coin and look at it, it chooses a state, either heads or tails. Now, something similar happens in the world of smaller particles, like electrons or photons. Scientists have discovered that these particles can exist in multiple possible states at the same time, such as being in different places or moving in different ways at the same time. This is called superposition. However, the moment someone looks at or measures the particle, it stops being in multiple states and chooses a specific state, just like a coin does when you stop it and look at it. This is what makes quantum physics so strange and amazing. It seems as if the act of looking at something changes its behavior. This strange behavior resembles spiritual ideas. Many spiritual traditions talk about how everything in the universe is connected and full of possibilities. Just like particles, spirituality suggests that there are infinite possibilities in our lives, and what we focus on can shape our reality. Meditation is another example. Research shows that meditation changes brain activity in ways that improve mental health and make people feel more focused. Brain studies reveal that deep meditation activates areas responsible for self-awareness and deep thinking. It seems science is beginning to confirm what spiritual seekers have believed for ages. Our minds are powerful tools for understanding life. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Scientists studying how spiritual practices like meditation affect the brain found that people often feel deeply connected to the universe during these practices. This feeling is called a spiritual awakening. This isn't just a guess. It's supported by scientific studies. Research shows that these experiences can change how people see life and make them feel happier. So, could spirituality give us insights into the human mind that science is only starting to understand? It's like finding out your favorite dessert is also good for your health. Amazing news, right? In short, spirituality and science might seem very different, like oil and water, but they can actually work well together. Both are searching for the truth, whether through experiments or self-reflection. As we continue to explore life and the universe, let's use both science and spirituality to guide us. So, the next time you meditate or think about life's mysteries, remember that you're also doing science, one deep breath at a time. Isn't it amazing how spirituality and science connect? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure. See you soon.